Hi.
Hi, can you tell me about this? What are these?
Well, you have to pick them up, so try a few. That's the peanuts. Pork.
That one's like heavier.
Heavier, huh? Try this one.
Oh,
Be careful.
jeez. Wow.
Yeah, that's the beef. Try this one over here.
Oh, the spinach is super light. Like, almost nothing.
Yeah, so did you see what this is about? Actually, I'll hold this up.
Yeah.
Why don't you read it?
Read it from behind. They're weighting according to how much CO2 equivalent is produced per 2.5 ounces. And so the ones that take a lot of CO2, I guess, to make are really heavy.
It's actually a bit more to it than that because the cows make a lot of methane.
Yeah.
They actually make it from both ends. They burp as well as fart it. And that's like 100 times worse than the carbon dioxide. That's why it ends up so horrendously expensive. And all these various, any kind of animal product. Did we try chicken yet?
Oh, yeah.
Any kind of animal, even a chicken, you have to grow the food first. The spinach, all it needs is sunlight and water. It takes some carbon dioxide out of the air and photosynthesizes, and you got food. And the same with the potatoes. Some of these things require a little bit more work. But if you've got, like with the chicken, if you've got to grow something to feed the animal, all of what you grew doesn't become meat. The animal poops, runs around the yard, does its thing. Only a certain percentage of it becomes the meat. So any animal product is, and there's more transportation involved, so any animal product is going to be worse than a plain plant product. But anything to do with cows is really bad. I was sad when I found out cheese was this bad.
It's cheese.
But I've since then realised that this tremendous thing is for only 2.5 ounces of beef.
Wow.
You can't buy a 2.5 ounce patty anymore.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're all bigger than that.
And people eat 8 ounce or more steaks. Whereas in fact, if I use an ounce of cheese on something, it tastes super delicious. So the weight comparison...
The cheese goes a longer way than the beef.
Yeah. Well, I'm consoling myself. I'm not perfect. Questions?
I don't know. I think that was pretty well explained.
It'd be great if we can get everybody to do this because people who actually feel them really notice them.
Yeah. You can think about it, but then when you actually...
Yeah, when you
you're
actually...
like,
I think it actually connects to a different part of your brain. If we had some kind of scan, we could figure that out. But
yeah, okay.
we have 8 sets now, but after this pandemic's over, we can start hiring them out, allowing different schools to use them for a week or 2 or 3,
Nice.
because we've got 8 sets. So. Yeah, it's interesting. So, what you eat makes a difference to the world.